Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you a video on how to make slime. First thing you need
I'm sorry, I'm ruining it.
is glue. Elmer's glue works the best, but it's alright. So first I'm gonna empty out my bottles of of glue. So now after I poured out all my glue, I filled the empty glue bottles up with water and shake it and pour that in there. So all you have to do is just pour that in and then mix it afterwards. If you guys hear somebody, it's just my friend Marissa. So now I have to empty out my other bottle. I didn't add a bunch of water, but you definitely don't want to add more water than you did glue, because then it won't activate as good and it'll be too liquidy. When you play with it, it'll just go everywhere and it won't be a good slime. So I'm only adding like a little bit, so just enough that the glue is still like in the bottle and that it's still kind of thick, but not really. So now I'm just gonna mix the glue and the water all together. And like I said, you don't have to use water for this. Also, the best glue to use is definitely Elmer's glue. Like, that's what I use all the time. I have to go grab paint. I'm gonna use this blue glue, and Marissa's gonna mix in some of it. Okay, now that we have our color made, I'm gonna add in lotion. So I'm using this cucumber melon lotion, and I'm not adding too much. This will help make it kind of glossy and like more stretchy. So I'm adding, that's good enough. Don't know how much I used. I don't use precise measurements. So I'm just gonna tell you, I'm not adding this in right now, but for the borax, you just use a cup of water. Warm water works best. And then a teaspoon of borax, or you could use contact solution, or Tide detergent normally works. But yeah, that's what I'm using for activator. So you don't have to use lotion. There's different types of slimes you can do, but I'm just doing this one because I don't want to add cornstarch or baby powder or any of that in here. So I'm just going to mix my lotion in, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my activator until it's good. Also, a tip, don't overactivate your slime, because it will not be stretchy and it'll be a lot of work if you over borax it. It'll be a lot of work to fix it. But I'm gonna add in a bit of borax first. But just keep going until it's activated. So it's already activating and pumping up. But just use as much or as little borax as possible, and then once you think that it's a little clumpy already, but I'll come back with this slime made, and Marissa is going to be testing out the new slime. I'm gonna also add in some lemon. Oh, you can't see it. Like some lemon, just a few drops of lemon into my slime. Okay, so Marissa is going to rate the slime on scent and the texture. Yeah. So.
Okay. Well, it smells good from the lemon. Because we put a lot, you put a lot of lemon in it.
Okay, on a scale from 1 to 10, what do you rate the slime?
I just flung the slime.
She's gotta make sure it's She's gotta feel the slime, you know. She's gotta make sure it's good.
Have to let it speak to me. I'm gonna give it like a 7.5.
Okay, do you remember what Pocolos and Crackalackles are?
Yeah.
Okay, so Pocolos, what do you think they are? Scale of 1 to 10.
Like 8.5.
Okay, now make some bubbles.
I'm not good at this one.
Do you want me to do it?
No. I got it. Oh, that one. Oh no!
Oh man,
That
I
was
told
a
you.
fail. Ready? Here, wait.
That was bad.
I can wash it out, maybe.
Maybe.
We can fix it. That's gonna be a good one for them to watch.
Okay, what? Here, I'll make you some Pocolo or like
Yeah, you do.
Crackalackles. Okay.
Oh, that one was good. I'll rate that like a 8 too.
Oh, okay. So this slime is pretty good. I think the color. What do you rate the color?
I like the color. I'll make like the color a 9.
A 9. I think that's what it'd be too.
I think to me.
Oh, some more, a little more behind. Okay. But yeah, this is actually a really good slime. I thought it was gonna be bad at the beginning, but actually no, this is pretty good. But they always start out stringy, but then once you like knead it, and normally it's when you add the borax in, that's when it's like stringy. But other than that, once you like knead it and mix it in real good, it's really, this is a really good slime. It's like a really good slime. I like it. Still don't know if it'd be my favorite slime, but
You think of it?
I don't know if that would work. I think it just gets some fuzz in the slime. But yeah, this is a really good slime. So I think that's it. I really like this slime. It's pretty good. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that bell icon to be notified when I post a new video. And bye!